To get started, create a spreadsheet or open an existing one. Hover over Extensions, Add-on, and get an add-on. Then search for SerpApi and install it. Once installed, you immediately have several provided examples for Google and other search engines for rank and result examples, which will automatically fill cells values. Then we need to add your existing SerpApi key, which you can find in your SerpApi account from the dashboard page. Next step is to fill keywords, location if needed, query which is built from keyword, and target website domain to track ranking, and rank column itself to see the rank number. Query is basically a string URL which will be passed to SerpApi backend. The first argument is a Google search query parameter, which in this case is Minecraft. Then we're adding a location parameter and referencing value from location column. It's an optional parameter. Engine parameter is a SerpApi parameter that defines a search engine to scrape data from. And num parameter is a Google parameter defines number of results per page. In this case, it will be 100 results per page. Next step is to add a target domain that will be tracked to define its rank position on the page. And the last step is to add SerpApi rank function and reference query and domain values. Here's a random search queries with random target website domains to show you the output. To get locations data that can be accepted by SerpApi, you need to download supported Locations API JSON file. In this case, I've downloaded an open JSON file inside Dadroid program to copy random locations and see what rank result would be. Or let's try to use the same keyword and target domain, but with different locations, and see how Google ranks it. As you can see, Google ranks particular keyword and target domain differently, especially in Switzerland. To get specific part of the returned result, we need to use SerpApi result function, which accepts a query, and a selector that defines part of the data that will be extracted from the whole output. In this case, we extracting title from the first result that comes from organic results. If you're having difficulties understanding this, head over to SerpApi Playground, enable Show JSON Path option to show you exactly which JSON path to call in the selector. Note that only first result will be extracted. If you need to extract more than one result, you need to increment organic results index value, which will represent first, second, and so on results. Don't forget that you can also call other return results data. You can also add other optional SerpApi parameters which you can find in the Playground page or inside individual search engine. Let us know in the comments if you have any issues, or if you want to see additional examples of SerpApi add-on usage. See you in the next video.